construct angle 90 degrees. So it's a continuation of our provision on geometrical construction. So how do you construct angle 90 degree? First of all, we'll rule a straight line. This is a straight line. Now I want to construct angle 90 degree. 90 degree at a particular point, reference point. Let me place a line. I want my 90 degree to be at this very point. First of all, we get a pair of compasses. Then place the still point of the compass on this reference line. Look at it. You are watching, you have to get your compass and your pencil and construct a line. Remember, your own compass is not going to be straight like this, it's like with scissors. So you open it, the still point on this reference line. The pencil point will be, you open it to a convenient radius on the line. I'm going to decrease this line. Okay, so look at your still point on the reference line, open the compass, the pencil point on the other side. Then make an arc on the line. Okay, now where the arc touch the line, the straight line, take your compass there, your still point on this end of the arc, extend the compass to a convenient radius, then make an arc up here. I'm going to make an arc up here. And I'll take my stick point to this point now. Look at this. The stick point, place it here to cut the arc previously drawn. Cut it. And when the two arcs meet together, place a ruler there and join the point to your reference line. And join the point. And say that is 90 degrees. So that is how to construct 90 degrees. This is very important. We're going to use it in construction of other type of angles.